It's shaping up to be a little bit cooler here, which I'm happy about because I was not feeling good yesterday. We're heading to Terminal 21 to eat breakfast, and then hopefully later we're gonna go to Chatuchak Weekend Market. Level 1. We're going up the levels at Pier 21. Oh, I should actually show you. This is a good view of it. There's enough theming in restaurant. And then this little line. Okay, whatever. Early, but people always... Okay, as I was saying, I am a little disappointed. I expected it to be more themed. But it's okay. We're going to Istanbul right now. Ooh, Turkey! Just kidding. Yeah, we just need to get to level 5 because apparently that's where the food is, and that's where we need to be. We need to be where the food is. This is what Istanbul is to them. The Golden Gate Bridge. But more importantly, love yourself, be happy, and eat cake. Happy right now. This is not breakfast food. I was really wanting some eggs, but you know, gotta do what you gotta do. Alright, we are on our way to Chatuchak Market. We are really close, but there's a little bit of traffic now because everybody's going the same way. But we're already seeing the beginning of it, and it is huge, so I'm excited. I need to get some Thai tea. I need to get some mango sticky rice. Maybe I need to get some pad thai, and I also need to get a fruit smoothie. So mostly food, but I'm also looking for some skirts and maybe some linen pants. Okay, we'll see. Bye. Let's go right. Let's try. Mine tastes banana-y instead of cream soda.
It's really great.
But only $5. Good. Right. This probably won't make it. Good morning, day 4. I was up surprisingly early for someone who stayed out a little late last night, and since my friend wasn't up yet, I decided I wanted to go on a little adventure. I mapped myself to a coffee shop that was a 20-minute walk away via these canals, but about halfway I realized I was supposed to take a boat, and that's why it was 20 minutes, and instead it was going to be like an hour. So I decided to turn back and go to this mall that I kept seeing every time we went somewhere. Y'all, this mall had this random animal exhibition, and when I say random, you're gonna see how random. Hi. Here. You already had one. I just fed some goats at the mall. What the heck? Oh my god, there's pigs and horses. Why are these all in this mall? Oh my god, hello. we are in the Khlong Lam Floating Market. It's kind of empty, not a lot of stalls are open. They said that for this market, a lot of the stalls aren't actually on the river, they're just the riverside. There's only a few that are actually on the water. We're heading toward the pier. Let's see how much these boats are.
Everything goes right. I can feel the breeze.
We're on a boat tour, floating market. I'm so scared, honestly. This is so close to the water. But that's great. Floating markets, here we are. Plenty of people have taken these boats before, Briana. You don't get scared. We're literally just on the water.
I'd still be dialing your number 6 feet deep. Oh, it's real hard to break this habit. It's like I want you 24/7.
We've been giving 20 minutes to explore this. I just want to point out something that came to the floating market and we were looking for a boat, and the first one we saw was 400 Thai baht, and that's per person, and that sounded a little expensive to me because I heard people say 200, 100, and so we were like, let's look around a little bit and then we'll decide if we want to do this one because it's a little pricey. And then we looked around and then we saw one that was leaving. Jared was like, we're leaving right now, you can come, it's 100 baht, and we were so happy. And we thought, they said it was 1 hour to just go around, but it's actually 1 hour with stops. So we're stopped here at the first other floating market, and we just kind of walked around and explored, and it's just cool. Most of the stalls are closed, but it's still a nice thing to just walk around and see something new. And so many beautiful temples / shrines / whatever these things are. There's lots going on. With so many flowers on it.
Gonna be real hard to break this habit. It's like I want you 24/7. When I'm without you, boy, I feel.
Oh my goodness, is that Jerry?
Think you would better
Wow.
prescription.
We're here next to the jackfruit tree. Look at these huge pieces of jackfruit. Where am I pointing? Okay, look at these huge pieces of jackfruit. And then look at this one. Where is it?
If this falls, how?
Wow, so big. I didn't realize how big it was. That's huge. Bigger than my head. I got a big head. We're food is being demolished. Okay, it's getting super hot, so I put my hair in these bun things. They're uneven, but I think it'll work because form over function. Function over form. It's too hot for this. It's so hard eating my food in the heat, but it's good food. This is my third favorite pad thai though. My favorite was at Job Fair. My second favorite was at the mall yesterday. This is third. And hopefully the one I have at the street market, street food area tonight is going to be best, if we go. This is probably my second or third mango drink, or coconut drink, and it's good. Really refreshing. We are now at Iconsiam, which apparently has an indoor floating market. We're walking around this bottom level, and I just told Hannah that it's more Japanese than the Japanese level at Terminal 21. They could learn a thing or two. It's very themed down here. But yeah, we're just walking around, and we'll see if we find the indoor floating market, and mostly we're going to chill, or at least I want to chill. So, subtweet. Probably super expensive. There's couples here. little one looks
You always let me know. You always let me go my way. You always let me know. You never let it show my
Okay, moment of truth. Trying my first Thai tea in Thailand. There's a place next to us that has a really long line, and then there's this place that I got because we're waiting for our Grab. So I feel like this one is going to be inferior to the one that with the really long line, but I remember the first time I had Thai tea, I was like, this just tastes like milk tea. And then my friend said I didn't get the right kind, and I tried it again, and it mostly just tasted like milk tea. So I'm prepared to have it just taste like milk tea, but we'll see. Yeah. Ooh. Never mind. Wow. It tastes like milk tea, but then the taste that's left in your mouth is different. Wow. I don't know what it tastes like, but it tastes like something I smelled yesterday. It's good. It's unique. Finally, it was time to go to the infamous
so pretty. I love
Khao
seeing lights
San.
reflect on water.
We decided to go by boat. We had taken this boat earlier, and it was a lot of fun in the daytime, and I thought it would be really cool to see Thailand and Bangkok by night, and I was right. It was so busy here. It was kind of a hot mess. We had dinner and then we kind of just walked around, found a place to sit down and hang out and just people watch, and it was a good time. And just like that, my time in Thailand was at an end. I couldn't believe how much I loved Bangkok. The city was incredible, and I am just waiting impatiently until I can go again. Thanks for watching, and if you liked my video, please make sure to leave a comment and tell me if you've been to Bangkok. Like, and please subscribe. Thanks!